Changing a bank account in the TikTok shop is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Navigate to the TikTok shop section within the app. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon and then looking for a shopping bag icon or directly accessing the shop feature from the Discover page. Look for the settings or payment option within the TikTok shop. This may be represented by a gear icon or something similar. Once you are in the payment settings, you should see an option to add or change your bank account information. Tap on this option. Follow the prompts to enter the details of your new bank account. This typically includes the bank account holder's name, account number, routing number, and any other necessary information. After entering the new bank account information, make sure to save your changes. This might involve tapping a Save or Done button.